Lisa Briggs from the Bruce Company is here with us in the studio today.
Hello,
Hi.
Lisa. How you doing? We're taking your calls at 608-270-9933, and we have 3 lines open if you want to give Lisa a call.
So Shirley from Monticello, how are you?
Hi.
Go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead,
Hi.
Shirley. What's your question?
Just got an amaryllis, and I want to know how much watering you do for them. And do I have to repot them after it's done flowering?
No, okay, let's start with that. You do not have to repot them. They like to be pot bound. And so,
Okay.
but once the flower stalks are done, you're gonna cut just the flower stalks back and leave the leaves. As far as watering is concerned, you want the top to dry out. They don't like to sit in water. So let it dry a little bit between waterings and then water it thoroughly, and then you can check back with us in, say, April, and we'll tell you what to do with it for the summer to get it to redo its thing.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for calling today. Let's go to Ginny in Madison. Hi, Ginny. What's your question?
Also about an amaryllis. I got it, and it's in stones. Do I take those stones out?
No, so if you got your amaryllis and it's in stones, it's being forced. So what you want to do is keep the water level just at the base of the bulb, at the bottom of the bulb. So the roots are in the stones, but the bulb itself is not sitting in the water. And then once it's done, you throw it away. That forcing process, not being in soil, you can't keep it and reactivate it. But it will be beautiful for the holidays.
Yeah, it's only up 2 inches. But it also said a half a cup of water.
You just want to keep the water at the base level, right at the bottom of the bulb where the roots start. It'll be fine.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for calling.
David from Marino, what's your question? David? Well, all right.
Sorry about that, David. I don't think he can hear us.
All right. Caller on line 4, do you have a question? Tom. Tom from Deerfield, can you hear us? Hello? All right, well, let's...
Okay, so there are 2 kinds of garlic. There's soft neck garlic and hard neck garlic. And you can tell it's the stem that comes out of the bulb itself. And the hard neck is hard and the soft neck is soft. The big difference for you as a cook is that hard neck garlic will keep longer than soft neck garlic does.
Which is harder to grow?
They grow the same. You tend to have more varieties available with the hard neck garlic.
Okay. All right. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with our phones.
Should we try, let's try again. David from Marina, are you there? Well, David wants to know about his rose bush.
So if he's asking, I'm going to take a guess, and he's wondering what to do with it, if it needs to be covered or cut back. Now that we have some cold weather, but we have snow, so that's great. It makes a great insulator. So just leave your rose bush alone until the spring, and when the leaves start to pop, then you can cut back whatever you died back during the winter.
Okay, let's try to hear, let's see if Bev in Beaver Dam can hear us. Hi, Bev, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Oh, yay!
It's a miracle!
Christmas miracle. What's your question?
I have a comment. I want to say thank you to Channel 3 to providing the service that you do, and thanks much to Lisa Briggs for all the helpful plant tips.
Well, thank you very
you are
much.
such a
That is so
sweetheart.
sweet. What a nice thing to hear just before Christmas.
Oh, Bev, thank you
Merry
so much.
Christmas to you, too.
And back
Thank
to
you,
you
Bev. Merry
and yours.
Christmas.
Oh, that's so nice. See, there's good people. Good people in the world.
Yeah, how long have you been doing this now, Lisa?
This calling part, for about maybe 6 years on and off,
Okay.
but a lot just since Linda retired.
Linda
When
Barch.
did she retire? Like this spring,
Yes,
right? She
yes.
finished up this spring. But I've been dealing with Channel 3 for a long time. We started on the morning show.
That's right.
With you and Rob.
Yep.
Carving pumpkins.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. And we've never stumped her once. Honestly, I don't think you've ever
I just
been...
make stuff up. I tell
I
people.
know,
If you
no,
say
you
it with
don't.
conviction, people will believe you.
Every time I watch you, it's like right there, that Rolodex of information.
Have a
So-
great
There it
holiday.
is.
Have a great holiday, Lisa.
You too, and happy holidays to all the viewers from me and from Bruce Company.
All right, and thanks everybody for your patience. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on. But we
It
got
was
through
me. I'm no Lily Tomlin working the phones.
We'll be right back.